Welcome back. I thought the last time I've done this that I was done, but as we know, these are never finished since it's just a matter of perspective at that particular point in time. So this is the first time I remove an item, the sunscreen spray, since I use it all the time on my bike. With the extra space, this gave me an opportunity to add more items that double or complement key areas. In no particular order, we have the famous pen style dual sharpener from Victorinox, which is made in Germany. Given its minimal footprint, it sits nicely next to my oiler marker and it's a really effective tool from what I've read in terms of feedback. I finally got the famous Leatherman slim profile double-ended bit set, and since my Leatherman Surge multi-tool came in a MOLLE pouch, I decided to attach it on the back of my bag. So the bits are safely nested inside, while the Surge is in quick access reach next to the SAE Zula fixed blade. While on the subject of tools, a perfect top-up is the mini ratchet from 711L, which I also reviewed. They make many models, but this is specifically for the Leatherman slotted bit holder, and of course is compatible with regular 1/4 inch bits and the Leatherman slim ones. Being such a tiny item, I'll keep it in this loop here next to the cord. Next up, a hygiene item, 50 soap leaves, which come in this compact box. They even do shampoo ones, but the soap will do for now. They will sit in the front pocket next to the emergency blanket. No kit is complete without the famous mini beak lighter, which slots perfectly next to the Maratac XL peanut. So this brings us to the last item of today, and a very cool gadget indeed, the Zippo fuel canister. This is because I wanted a backup to the Maratac XL lighter, which I averaged out a 3-month cycle until it evaporates. So this is a perfect element which apparently holds enough liquid for a full-size Zippo refill or their hand warmers. At first glance it's quite a chunky boy, and here it is next to the Maratac Peanut XL lighter and the mini beak. Furthermore, it comes with a keyring, a standard carabiner, a flathead screwdriver to access the wick, and even a rubber flint holder, so it's a full service stop right here. So the trick with stuff like this to prevent the liquid from evaporating is how good the seals are. It uses a triple cap system where the second one has one massive inner seal. The lower hole is the breathing area when you pour, because you can't squeeze this as you would with regular fuel cans, and of course that's the drip point. To access the lower container, remove the last cap, which also has its own giant seal. So far the quality is top notch, machining is excellent and has a premium feel to it. Right, let's fill her up. I have no idea how much I have left in the Peanut XL, but let's just see how the Zippo provides the fuel. Just a few small shakes I think help the flow. Judging by eye, maybe 10% I managed to pour. Now I'm gonna refill it back again and check again in a month or so to see if it has evaporated or anything else. It slots perfectly in the extra loop here in the front, and this concludes my V3 iteration of this system. Thank you for watching guys, and if you have any more ideas, please let me know what I can shove in here. Also don't forget to watch the first 2 episodes of this pouch.